Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to enable the FPS counter on Steam. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and download the Steam application. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Steam if you haven't already done that of course. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So in the top left corner, as you can see, we have the store, library, we have the community and your profile. And in the middle of the screen, we have the bar where you have your store, new and noteworthy, categories, and the search bar. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and enable FPS counter on Steam. So first of all, launch the Steam client on your computer as I told you in the start of the video. Then click on Steam in the top left corner and select settings. So we have it here and select settings, which is the one before last. Then in the settings menu, click on in-game in the left column. So go and click on in-game. So basically you can go and find it here. It is one in the middle. Then check the box next to in-game FPS counter and choose the corner where you want it to appear. If you want better visibility, check the box for high contrast color. Click OK to save your changes. Now when you launch the game, you'll see the FPS counter in the corner you selected. This can help you monitor your game's performance. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So guys, if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video. Bye guys.